Hi, I'd like to show you how a CNC punch press works. Most of these machines can be intimidating, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to program it and how easy it is to punch. Here's our part on the screen. I've manually programmed this. Here's our blank size, how many parts we're doing, clamp settings, our trim sizes, our tool size, and our X and Y coordinates for each punch, individually done. And when we're done with that tool, we switch to the next tool and we have a tool change command. After we've done programming this, this is what the part looks like complete. Punched with all the different shapes, tool changes, finished. I'm going to step it to show you how it punches individually. Here's your blank part with the first tool. It's going to go through and punch all that same size. Now we have a tool change. Now we're doing a different shape. Now the part's complete. I've done this part manually. You can also import DFX files where the programming will be translated and put on the screen for you.